talking today about some simple things that you can do to keep yourself well in the season ahead. I'm Vickie Dickson. I'm a holistic nutritionist and a yoga teacher, and most importantly, a doTERRA wellness advocate. Like many of you, when I was introduced to doTERRA essential oils, I was skeptical, and I wasn't really sure that they would work for the things that I needed them to work for. But what I found is that I can have consistent results over and over and over again with doTERRA health and wellness products and their essential oils. So what we need to remember is that every time we make a decision, we're either moving closer towards optimal health and wellness or further away. So things like if you choose to sit on your couch and eat a bag of chips, or you choose to go for a walk, if you choose to have a glass of water or a can of Pepsi, every little thing that we do adds up. Oftentimes we think that health is a big picture thing, or it's a big thing that you have to do. But it's absolutely not. Little things add up to make a big difference in our health and wellness over time. So we're going to talk about a few things that you can do each and every day to keep yourself and your family well over the season ahead. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is your thymus gland. And it's something that you may or may not be familiar with. The thymus is a gland that governs the immune system. And in children, the thymus is a really large gland. But over time, as we age and as we go through stressors in life, the thymus shrinks, and it becomes not as effective at fighting seasonal threats. So what you can do that's a little thing that's easy to do is just some thymus thumping. So what I like to do is use a drop of frankincense. You can use whatever oil soothes and comforts you. I just put a drop of frankincense in my hand. And you've all done this probably 1,000 times. Make my scent tent. So you'll just take a couple of nice deep breaths, get yourself soothed and relaxed, nice and calm, and then you can begin to either thump your thymus gland or just tap it lightly. It lives behind the breastbone, and you just do this for 1 to 2 minutes. It's a super, super simple thing to do to support your wellness. So one of the times that I like to do this is in the shower, and I'll use wild orange and eucalyptus in my shower. And it just helps me to wake up and be invigorated for my morning. And again, just 1 to 2 minutes, just doing this. It's also a good thing to do when you're feeling stressed. So if you're overwhelmed or under a lot of stress at work, you can take a couple minutes, close your office door, and just thump your thymus. So we can't talk about optimal wellness without talking about doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is my very, 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 very favorite doTERRA product. It's our #1 selling product for very good reason. So the Lifelong Vitality Pack offers the nutrients from 12 servings of fruits and vegetables. So hands up, how many of you are eating 12 servings of fruits and vegetables a day? I'll bet you not too many hands are going up. It also offers 22 essential vitamins and minerals, and the minerals are chelated, which means that they're very easily absorbed by the body. So it's not always about what we're taking into our bodies, it's about what we're absorbing, and we're going to talk about that in a few minutes as well. The doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack supports healthy digestion, it supports the cardiovascular system, bone health, brain health, and I find that we just feel better on it. I know for me, I'm a supplement junkie, and my cupboard was full of supplements, and I never felt any different. But once I started on doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack, in less than a week, I felt absolutely amazing. Sometimes people will say to me, I'm not really sure if it's working. I don't really know if I feel any different, because often we're not very self-aware, right? So I'll say, that's great. Go off of them for a little while and see how you feel. And 99.9% of the time, after less than a week, they understand, that's what it was doing. That's how it was making me feel. So I would really encourage you to try the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. Like everything that we sell, it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you really don't have anything to lose. And for me, I'm actually saving money using doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack because it covers my multivitamin, my omega-3, and a cellular support. So I want to give you a little trick that you can use if you're still not convinced about the Lifelong Vitality Pack and you kind of think you have the best supplements at home. Something that you can do to see if your body is absorbing the supplements that you have is you can put 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/3 cup of water in a glass measuring cup. And just pop your supplements into that mixture. It mimics the stomach acid, and you'll be able to tell if your supplements are being digested or not. So if your supplements do not start to dissolve within 20 to 30 minutes, they're not dissolving in your stomach. So you're basically flushing your money. So doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack, do the same thing with them and you'll be amazed at how quickly they start to dissolve. So that should convince you on how easy these are for your body to absorb. We're also going to talk a little bit about the digestive system because our immune system is housed in the digestive system. So we want to take really, really good care of the digestive system. And some things that you can do are drinking lemon water will help your digestive system, eating probiotic foods, taking probiotics, reducing foods in your diet that you may be intolerant to. All of those things will help your digestive system. Terrazyme is a digestive enzyme from doTERRA, and it is an excellent support for your digestive system. So what digestive enzymes do is break down the food in your stomach. And what happens is as we age or as we eat the standard American diet, which is SAD for short, very fittingly, as we do that, we make less and less digestive enzymes. So we may experience digestive feedback over time. So I'll give you a little trick that you can do at home that will just show you how digestive enzymes actually work. It's fun to do with your kids or with your family just to show you that actually, yes, they are working in your body. So make yourself a little bowl of oatmeal and make it really, really thick, so thick that you can't even get it off the spoon. And then you'll open up 2 Terrazyme and dump them into the oatmeal and stir it for about a minute. And what you'll find is that the oatmeal becomes completely a liquid state. And that's exactly what digestive enzymes are doing in your body. They're breaking down your food. Remember, your stomach doesn't have teeth. So digestive enzymes are helping to break down your food so that you can absorb the nutrients from your food. So you'll take your Terrazyme with your meals and you'll put them around your house wherever you eat. So maybe your kitchen table, maybe your counter, maybe your office drawer, and definitely in your purse. You want to have these with you on the go. So I want to talk to you about the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is my very favorite system in the body because we don't talk about it ever. And I always relate it to a fish tank. So your cells are the fish and your lymphatic fluid is the water in the fish tank. Your lymphatic system does not have a pump. So just think what would happen to a fish tank without a pump. The water gets really gunky and really dirty and you don't want your fish living in it. Just like you don't want your cells living in really gunky, dirty water in your body. So there's lots of things that you can do to support the health of your lymphatic system. They are simple to do and simple not to do. So just quick little tricks. Your lymphatic system loves pumping and jumping. So walking is perfect exercise for your lymphatic system because the motion of your feet help to massage the meridians in your body. So that's going to help to pump fluid through your lymphatic system. You can also jump. So you could get a rebounder or a trampoline and be jumping up and down. That's excellent for your lymphatic system. And if you're thinking, okay, Vicki, but what about my knees or my hips? Well, that's why you have Deep Blue in your kit. You'll use your Deep Blue in a massage on those areas if they're not feeling great after jumping on your trampoline. Something that I like to do for my lymphatic system is a little bit of self-massage. So about 1/3 of the lymph nodes are in our necks. So just a massage. I love to use ginger and lemon oil with some fractionated coconut oil, make it really well diluted, and just massage, just gently massage. It's excellent self-care, and you can do this every single day. You could do it before you get into bed at night, you could do it in the morning, you could do it in the shower, whatever time works for you, whatever time you will actually do it to help to support your lymphatic system. Something that I like to do after a shower is to do a little bit of a massage under the breast area, just trying to encourage the lymph to move towards the lymph nodes under the arm. An oil that I like to use for this is Clary Calm because of its soothing and grounding aroma. It's just a little time that I can take for myself in the morning before I go about my day. Another thing that's really, really important to your overall health is your quality of sleep. You have a diffuser beside your bed and you could use lavender or serenity. The oil that I love to use the most is vetiver. I use it in a foot massage just to kind of soothe and calm me to get ready for bed. Wild orange can be soothing for many people. Cedarwood, balance, peace. There are so many oils that help to create a soothing environment that you could be diffusing any of these in the evening in your home to help you to get ready for a restful sleep. The last thing that we're going to talk about is just a little something that you can do for times when you're not feeling quite 100%. As we come into the seasonal shifts, you may want to have something like this on hand. And you're going to take a 10 ml roller ball and fill it with 10 drops each of frankincense, lemon, oregano, on guard, and tea tree. So we call it flute for short. Our acronym is flute. And then you'll fill the remainder of the bottle with fractionated coconut oil, tuck it away in your drawer, in your bathroom closet, and maybe you won't need it. But if there are times where you're just feeling a little bit off your game, not quite 100%, and you want to feel better, you'll just use this on the back of your neck every couple of hours all day long. If you're going to use it with small children or someone with sensitive skin, I would use it on the bottoms of the feet or dilute it a little bit more if you're going to use it on the back of the neck. So just to recap, we talked about a few things that are really simple little additions that you can make to your everyday routine that can move you more towards optimal wellness. So we talked about thumping the thymus, and you can do that with an oil of your choice just to bring you into a soothed and calm frame of mind before you do that. That takes about 2 minutes a day. We talked about the LLV, the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So you're going to want to have it out on your counter or make yourself a little vitamin container, something that will get you into the daily habit of using your vitamins. Wherever you're going to use them is where you want them to be. We talked about Terrazyme digestive enzymes and how important they are to the digestive system. You'll want to have your Terrazyme wherever it is you're eating your meals. So maybe at your kitchen table, maybe in your office drawer, definitely in your purse for eating on the go, wherever you will use them. Then we talked about lymphatic massage, and if you find that an oil helps to soothe you or to calm you, just adds a little bit more to your self-care, you could use really any oil that you want. I love to use lemon and ginger. And we talked about sleep. So really getting yourself in the mood for a good night's sleep. So maybe diffusing some oils that are calming in your home in the evening as people are starting to unwind. Some supportive oils might be cedarwood or lavender or clary sage or Roman chamomile, just anything that helps to calm and soothe you as you begin to relax for the evening. So all of these things are just small things that every one of us can do that are really, really easy to implement in your everyday life, but the trouble is that they're really easy not to do too. It's easy not to use your oils, not to use your supplements. So just think of how you can get into the habit of doing these things each and every day to support your overall wellness. Because if you don't take care of your body, where are you going to live?